Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking. Today's recipe is a lovely sweet and tangy tomato jam. Now this is a requested recipe that I'm going to show you, and I'm also going to show you 3 different ways of having this jam as a spread. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. For the tomato jam, I've taken 10 ripe tomatoes. You need to remove the seeds from the tomatoes and then chop them fine. First, we're going to cook the tomatoes. To this, I'm going to add the juice of 1 lemon. After adding the lemon juice, add 1 teaspoon of grated fresh ginger, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon cinnamon powder, add 1 cup sugar, mix everything together. Close and cook for about 10 minutes on medium flame. All the excess moisture is evaporated and the jam has started to thicken. Continue to stir the jam at intervals till it becomes a nice thick and sticky mass. So once you get this consistency, this would be the right time to turn off the stove. I'm going to show you a couple of ways you can have this delicious tomato jam. One, you can have it with some nice soft chapatis, and that's a great lunchbox recipe. 2, you can have it with tea. Spread it on some crackers and you can enjoy it as a tea time snack. And 3, you can even have it as a sandwich. You can spread it on bread, stuff it with some fresh fruits and enjoy this nice sweet and tangy tomato jam. So now you know how to make this lovely jam. So try this, and you can actually store it in a bottle and refrigerate it and use it for about 1 week. You can get a copy of our first edition of the Home Cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.